Kargil wada maya kai thawai na patha pi ga ba mayam du ningsim hoi na pangthok pathor mani.
On behalf of my family, we feel very humbled, we feel very blessed that
2023 dagi horaga Nicholas Muyon Inda Assam Rifles na
koi war hai basi kanana ngami kanana ngamde hai basi. It is defined by the objective of the war. Adui define to basi. Now this Kargil war se May June July swai sida tawba Kargil war se India ki mafam atopa makai tadi yamna hot oiba yamna heat lay ba yam hot oiba mafam ni monsoon season jo oiba, but in Kargil tadi kai snow leiraga leiba ice lay yam ingi ba minus degree Celsius ta leiba dugumba mafam amani. Asagi Pakistan sponsor infiltrator haigadra terrorist haigadra ko aduga backed by the Pakistani army makaisina laaga Kargil sida laaga ngasagi main aim de sum tajabada National Highway 1A si block tawraga India ki supply line Leh da Ladakh ta chaliba supply line che si thingaga capture tawnana ba adugumba strategy amane na hai. And National Highway 1A si Srinagar to Leh adum chatpa labi ni. Now makoi ki main aim di kaino makoi ki main aim di Kargil si sam na makoi ki control da layan badumye ko ado with brave army, brave soldier makaina kanna hona dana 3rd May dagi horaga hojiki ngasagi deputy commander na haibigriba mafam changba sung ngamdraba mafam ado defeat tawraga capture recapture tawraga everything je Pakistani sponsor infiltrator supported by Pakistani army si loina tathokrabani na aim and objective to phange Kargil si India ki khutta amuk leire aduduna masi July 26 da 1999 26 July da wesile na victory masi na celebration si sahi khuding gi adum tawrakpani.
Pakistan ki victory Kargil ta lekiraba sibai singu lapin mayam bu disikari Ani subada NG Beningwir Moyon NG Beningwir di Imung Sri ini
country, because nowadays in that though these two countries are in tension, we are we will be in the faith paying with also martyr. This is a small district of Sarville also.